Hello mga kabisyo! This is DJ Robin Shen with my partner.
Ronyo Bicolano, ba't ka naman kinikilig?
Oh my God, partner, I'm super excited because this interview is super special, not just for me, the current Robin, but the child in me.
Paint my love,
Oh, we should paint
my love.
Oh
my God!
Ay nako mga kabisyo, without further ado, let me introduce this legendary Danish pop rock band with their timeless hits. Just like what we've sang earlier, 25 minutes, Sleeping Child, Paint My Love. Without further ado mga kabisyo, eto na nga, please welcome Yasha Richter, Mikael Lenz, and Car Washer of
Michael learns to rock. Woohoo! MLPR, welcome to Love Radio Manila.
Thank you so much. What a welcome. Thank you.
Yes, we're really excited to have you, especially your Filipino fans, because you've been a huge part of our tradition, of our history here, di ba?
Yes, of every birthday parties, of every karaoke we have, every family celebration, you're part of it.
Yes.
Wow.
Nice to hear.
It's so amazing to hear that. And I mean, yeah, it's great. And it's a big honor to be here. Nice to see you two guys and to talk to you. And hello to all the listeners and the fans in the Philippines. It's great to finally be coming back.
Your new song, A Life to Remember, marks your return to music after a 2-year hiatus. What was your inspiration, guys, behind this song?
Well,
Life.
Yeah. It's a song about getting older and reflecting back on your life, and we also tried to make it sound as much as Michael Learns to Rock as possible, actually.
So
No, it's a way of being nostalgic about the life and seeing back on our career and our life as human beings, and being a little bit nostalgic, a little bit happy to see that many of the dreams we had when we were young have already come true. We can relax a little bit more, just focusing on the positive side of getting older. That's the kind of the inspiration from real life that this song is about.
Yes, and for sure, a lot of your fans, have grown with you guys, and for sure they are looking forward to it. The style that you have ever since. So now my next question is: did you experiment with any new musical techniques, or is there something new with the song "A Life to Remember"?
Well, first of all, I think we're not really seduced by technology. It's a good tool for recording music, but our own personal tastes are pretty old school, pretty old-fashioned. I mean, what we like in music is soul, and if you can feel like the guy who is singing or playing, the band playing, we like the sound of that, and we like to feel the artist. So we actually try to avoid too much technology because we want to go for the spirit. And we think that the spirit, I mean, if you see a guy playing on the street, it has a lot of spirit. It's very direct. A guy with an acoustic guitar, I mean, we like that. I mean, you can really feel that person. So we basically go for that just in pop music. When we make our songs, it's pop songs, and we try to put our souls into the music. So we're not really, seduced by technology or whatever that makes it sound modern. We go for a direct, authentic expression.
Yeah, and for sure that's the thing that the fans already love about you guys.
Yeah, I love that authenticity, and then at the same time, soul. You guys are really, you guys are really passionate when it comes to storytelling. And in your case, it's really about songwriting, and that made you become an icon as well. And over the years of songwriting, did you find it easier to write a lifetime or a life to remember, or did the pressure of following your previous hits make it more challenging to you guys?
It's a little bit difficult for us to come up with new songs that the fans will love, because the fans always compare our new songs to the old songs, and so it's a really tough competition. It's a tough competition actually to be in. And so we hope this time with this song "Alive to Remember" that people will actually think it is as good as the old songs. So far, our fans is actually listening to the song on Spotify, which is a good sign.
Yes,
Yeah.
of course. Is there any specific lyric in the song that really hits home for you, or what is it? Personal favorite line in your song?
Personally, I think the word that goes, it's easier when you're older. You're losing the weight on your shoulders. It's a part of getting older that you don't have to carry the whole world on your shoulders anymore. You realize that, and it can be, liberating in a way to feel more freedom, really, and that's what I think. To me, the song is about.
How about the rest of the guys? What was your favorite?
Well, I really love this line, where I sing, "If I could be a god with angels by my side, then I will make all faces smile." I like that. It's the B section, the second B section part. And Mikkel probably likes the guitar solo.
I think the whole song, I can definitely relate to the whole song, and because when we started in Michael Learns to Rock, we were 19 years old. Cora and I were 19, we were teenagers, and we have never lived a life without Michael Learns to Rock. So this is like a celebration of that journey with my two buddies, and looking back, we have so many beautiful memories, and it makes us very grateful and humble, because it's not any. I think we are very lucky as a band to still be around after almost 4 years. So I think the whole message about celebrating life, looking back, and being grateful is so beautiful.
Robin, Shanna, we should start putting "A Life to Remember" as our favorite in our Spotify.
Yes, and we should play it on Love Radio right
Absolutely.
away.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now my last question for you guys. How do you think your fans, both the old and the new, will react to this new single? Or do you have any expectations on how they will receive it?
No, not really. But I must say we are a little bit surprised that our music is so well known also among very young people. Without Michael Learns to Rock being on TikTok for a very long time, many of our songs are really massive on TikTok. So now we decided to finally join TikTok as Michael Learns to Rock.
Yay!
Yeah, we want to be partying with you guys, and we are just amazed to see that we have actually got a lot of followers in a very short time on TikTok. So we just, I think, very proud that our music is obviously not only for the older audience, but also for the young ones, and that's really amazing. That makes us feel young.
Indeed, a celebration of life. Yeah. So we'll give you an opportunity to promote your newest single and your upcoming surprises, including concerts. Yes, please do promote.
Yeah, of course. We're heading off. We are in Bali right now, preparing for the tour that will start out here on Friday, and it will bring us all over Southeast Asia. And we'll start out in Indonesia and go to Manila after that, and further around Asia. So we can't wait to come back to the Philippines again, to see that audience that is standing out as the crowd that really can sing. No, seriously, the Filipino audience are amazing because we always come back and say, "Wow, did you hear them sing?" I mean, it was really amazing tonight. You know, they know how to sing, and when we play, we can almost not hear ourselves sometimes because people they're so loud, and we love that. So that's why we're here, and we can't wait to see everybody again on the show in Manila. And the date is it's 6th of November. Yeah, 6th of November. So we hope to see a lot of people there, and we hope to feel that same energy again that we felt so many times before, and having an emotional evening together with our Filipino fans and audience. So come along and sing with us.
Your Filipino fans, including Love Radio Manila, is very much excited to welcome you here.
Yes, and expect the two of us to be there shouting and cheering for you guys. We're really looking forward to it. Maraming
Great.
salamat. Again, mga kabisyo, we have here Yasha, Mikel, and Car. Maraming salamat mula sa ating mga kabisyo, mga Pilipino. We really love you. Mahal namin kayo.
Yay!
We'll see you soon. Muli mga kabisyo, this is DJ Robin Shena.
Konya Bicolano together with Michael Learns to Rock!
Wow! Enjoy na enjoy sa mga videos namin. Nako,
Marami pa niyan dito, kabisyo. Kaya para mas feel good ka,
I-like mo na ang video na to.
At mag-subscribe na sa aming
YouTube channel! Don't forget to click the notification bell
Para lagi kang updated sa amin.